again going to take your EVS class of class 3, chapter 10, sources of food. In my previous video, I have to explain about the plant source of food. Today, I am going to explain the animal source of food. So, what do you mean by animal source of food? The food that we obtained from animals are known as animal source of food. The food that we obtain from animals are known as animal source of food. The food items obtained from animals contain protein, then minerals, vitamins, then fats. Okay, food that items that we obtain from animals is generally contain protein, minerals, vitamins, and fats. Right here, and fats. So, food that we get from animals. So now we are going to discuss about the food items that we get from the animals. First, as you know, the eggs. The eggs generally we get from the hens and ducks. Hens and ducks. They are rich in a rich source of protein. So eggs are generally rich source of protein. The next point is milk. Milk is generally considered as a complete food and contain all the essential nutrients. It is obtained generally from cows, goats, buffaloes. Okay. Okay, this point I am not going to write here. You can just know that in the desert the people used to obtain milk from the camel, and in the colder regions or in the hilly regions they obtain milk from the yeah. Okay, milk used to prepare different milk products such as curd, ghee, cheese, butter, etc. Okay, then the meat, animal fleshes are known as meat obtained meat from hens, goats, fish, prawns, and lobsters. Okay, generally from these animals we obtain milk. Actually, fish, prawn and lobster is generally considered as a seafood. Okay, then the next is honey. Honey is obtained from honeybees. It is used as a sweetener and even as an anti it also soothes our sore throat. Honeybee, actually honeybee is considered as an animal product because bee used to collect nectar from the different types of flowers, and they just prepare honey in their hives. And they also used this honey all over throughout the year, because they collect nectar from the flowers in certain time. Okay, so they used to collect, or you can say that store the honey in their hives, and they used it as their food all over the year. And it is used by us as a sweetener and even as an antiseptic. Okay, we can use this honey in our different food items, and even if we have any throat problems, so our sore throat, that time it is very good medicine for the throat. So in the next I am just going to am going to tell you something about the vegetarians and the non-vegetarians. The people who generally take the plant products, that is the fruit, vegetables in their diet, that people are known as the vegetarians. Okay, and they can also take the milk products in their diet. And the people who take the plant products as well as the animal products in their diet, that is fish, meat, egg and milk products, they are known as the non-vegetarians. Okay, so I am just explaining this topic, the animal source of food. Hope all of you have understood this one. And in this chapter I just saying you the study material related to this topic. For all of you understand, I just finished my class. Thank you.